Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? So this is the live price prediction of Stellar XLM coin, my brother, and the price is very badly falls down. So therefore, I will make this video to understand my every viewers, my subscriber, and especially the Stellar XLM new holders now to be safe from the loss. So if you are new and crypto market, kindly subscribe this channel. Absolutely, this channel will guide you, update you every day, every time. My brother, the price minus 10.64% fails down. So what we will need to do now? When a price were fails down, definitely the holders are starting selling, and absolutely this is very huge mistake now. You know why this is huge mistake? Because my brother, definitely when all holders are starting selling, so the coin were very badly fails down. But absolutely, my friend, when a holder are starting buying, so the coin were moving upward, the price will starting increasing. So therefore, I note this, my friend. So when a short-term investor starting selling, so the long-term investors are also starting selling. But this is very huge mistake. Don't see the short fails, my friend. Definitely after a short fails, they will just in only, my friend, in 1 to 2 days they will recover this all loss now. So therefore, my brother, they all long-term investors are completely in the loss. And absolutely, if you want to be safe from the loss, so please don't take any decision without my friend research now. So Stellar XLM, there is 100% chances, my friends, to after this fail, they will wake up because, my brother, absolutely, as you can see here, this point. So this point and this one, as you can see, my friend, this is the good jumps now. As you can see, my friend, after this fails, they will take a jump now. So I hope, as you can see, my friend, the price will come now here now. So absolutely. Otherwise, if you starting selling, so the price is come here now. So definitely, it's a very bad now, and definitely, my friend, you will be completely lost if you do this now. Kindly holder, please don't take any decision without a research personally. But this is my personal advice for all of you to kindly hold it now. Please don't say it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.